Welcome to Data Discover from WildTrax. In Data Discover, you can explore audio, camera, and point count data across North America. You can easily filter and create summary statistics through a dynamic mapping interface. This tool lets you build a comprehensive understanding of environmental sensor data that interests you, available on WildTrax. Let's dive into the main features of Data Discover. First, effortlessly filter your search using attribute filters or selecting specific sensors. Gain location insights by clicking on a spot for a summary of data collected there. Get an overview of the entire layer's information with a single click on the Layer Summary button. The Filter panel, located on the left, offers options to refine your search. Easily classify data by taxonomic group, species, organization, project, or specific dates and times. Now, let's explore the Layers feature. You can create up to 5 layers with custom searches, duplicate layers to preserve results, and continue refining your filters. Toggle layers on and off with the Visible button. Refine your selection using the Polygon tool. Easily access summary insights for your custom area by clicking the Layer Summary icon. The Summary window offers visual representations of organizations, projects, species, and tag counts in your layer or custom polygon. You can also access a tab with the publicly available media associated with your search results. Found something intriguing? Head over to the organization or project dashboard or request access directly. Once granted, download your data from Data Downloads or utilize the R package WildTrax. Interested in contributing? Follow our checklist before publishing your data to ensure it's discoverable by others. And there you have it, an exploration of Data Discover in WildTrax. Happy exploring!